Hi, my name's Jess. I've set up an e-commerce store, and to meet the requirements of being a Google merchant so I can sell my items on Google, I had to have a phone number. Now, it's just humble little me behind the screen setting up my e-commerce store, and I didn't want to take the leap of getting a whole new phone plan and outlaying that kind of money, and I also didn't want to just put my mobile number on the website. So I did a bit of searching and I found Sonetel, and with them I've got a business phone number and I only pay for what I use. So I meet Google merchant requirements, I only pay for what I use, and the calls come straight through to my mobile through this number that Sonetel have been able to provide me. It's also got chat functions, so I get messages for people who message my page on Facebook. That comes through Sonetel as well, and it's a really handy sort of one hub point for all customer contact. Highly recommend them to anyone.